Dear students, in continuation to our logic gates lessons, today we are going to deal with the De Morgan's theorems. De Morgan's theorems are most useful in simplifying the expressions in which a product or sum of the variables is inverted. The two theorems are a plus b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. Second one, a dot b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. The first theorem may be stated as under: the complement of a sum over of two variables is equal to the product and of complements of two variables. That is, if a and b are two variables in Boolean algebra, then a plus b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. The left hand side is the complement of the over sum of the two variables. The right hand side is the AND product of the individual inverted variables. Input. If you look at the figure 4.20, input side LHS A is there, B are the inputs, and its output is A plus B, that is fed to a NOR gate, and your resultant is A plus B bar. This is next right hand side. A bar and B bar are the two inputs given to two inverted gates, NOR gates, that is fed to the AND gate, and the output will be A bar dot B bar. This is the circuit diagram for the De Morgan's first theorem. Next, proof. So we will take the truth tables for left hand side and right hand side, and then we will solve the truthness. As A and B can have only two states, that is either 0 or 1, we have the following four cases. First, to take the left hand side of the theorem. Input A is 0, B is 0, and output side A plus B is 0, and Y is equal to, that is output is equal to A plus B bar, that is 0 bar is equal to 1. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, A plus B is equal to 1, and Y is equal to complement of A plus B equals to 0. So when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, A plus B is equal to 1, and output is equal to complement of A plus B, that is complement of 1 is equal to 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, A plus B is equal to 1, and output Y is equal to complement of A plus B is equal to complement of 1 is equal to 0. So next, coming to the truth table for right hand side, AB, A bar, B bar, and output is equal to Y is equal to A bar dot B bar. So when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, A bar and B bar will be 1 and 1, and Y equals to A bar dot B bar is equal to 1. Similarly, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, A bar is equal to 1, B bar is equal to 0, and Y is equal to 0. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, A bar is equal to 0, B bar is equal to 1, and Y equals to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, A bar will be 0, B bar will be 0, and Y is equal to A bar dot B bar is equal to 0 dot 0 is equal to 0. Hence, comparing the truth tables on the left hand and right hand side, for all the possible cases, it is clear that A plus B complement is equal to A complement dot B complement. Therefore, De Morgan's first theorem is proved. Next, the De Morgan's second theorem. This can be said as the complement of a product and operation of two or more variables is equal to the sum of complements of the variables. The complement of a product of two or more variables is equal to the sum of complements of the variables. If a comma b are the two variables of Boolean algebra, then a dot b complement is equal to a complement plus b complement. Left hand side is the complement of the AND product of the two variables a and b. Right hand side is the OR sum of the individual inverted variables. So proof, as a and b can have either 0 or 1 values, we have the following 4 cases. See the figure 4.21, the truth table for LHS. When a is equal 0, b is equal 0, a dot b is equal 0, and a dot b complement is equal 0, complement is equal to 1. And a is equal 0, b is equal to 1, a dot b is equal to 0, a dot b complement is equal to 1. When a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, a dot b is equal to 0, y is equal to a dot b complement is equal to 1. So when a and b are 1 and 1, a dot b will be 1 and its complement is equal to 1, complement is equal to 0. So next, for the right hand side truth table, AB, A bar, B bar, and output will be y is equal to A bar plus B bar. When a is equal 0, b is equal 0, a bar equals 1, b bar equals 1, and y equal to a bar plus b bar, that is equals to 1. When a is equal 0, b equal to 1, a bar is equal to 1, b bar is equal to 0, and y is equal to a bar plus b bar equals 1. So when a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, a bar is equal to 0, b bar is equal to 1, y equal to 1. When a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, a bar will be 0, b bar will be 0, and y equals to a bar plus b bar is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Thus, from all the possible cases, it is clear that a dot b complement is equal to a complement plus b complement. Thus, De Morgan's second theorem is proved. Now, let us go for the precedence of the operators. For evaluating any Boolean expression, first of all, parenthesis, if any, must be evaluated before all other operations. Second, not. Third and fourth were. Thus, the next operation that holds precedence is the complement, then follows the and finally or. For example, consider the Boolean expression a plus b bar dot brackets c plus d close. The sequence of the operations will be the expression inside the parenthesis, that is c plus d, will be evaluated first. Then b bar will be evaluated. Then the result of these two, that is b bar and c plus d, will be ANDed. Finally, the result of the product will be ORed with a. In general, a logic problem can be specified in terms of a set of statements. This set of statements can be represented in terms of an equation called the logic equation or in terms of a truth table. A digital circuit using the gates discussed above can be designed to realize a logic equation. Usually, it is possible to simplify a logic equation. This minimized logic equation will probably need less number of gates and or less number of inputs for the gates. An example of the realization of circuit for a given logic equation is given below. Example: realize or design a digital circuit for the logic equation y equal to a bar dot b plus a dot b bar. Solution: looking at the equation, this equation consists of two input variables a and b and one output variable y. The variable a appears as a bar in the term a bar dot b and as a in the term a bar dot b bar. Similarly, the variable b appears as b in term a bar dot b and b bar in the term a dot b bar. The two terms a bar dot b and a dot b bar are obtained by AND operations, and the output y is the result of OR operation performed on a bar dot b and a bar dot b bar terms. The realization of this equation is obtained using NOT gate, AND gate and OR gates as shown in the figure 4.22. So you observe this figure, then compare with that equation. Now you can understand simply how the equation can be realized in terms of a diagram.